Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Need a seamless checkout page for your WordPress site? In this video, we will show you how to create a checkout page using various plugins and customizations. Let's dive into making your checkout process user-friendly. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So guys, one of the fundamental things that you need to understand about WordPress is that WordPress itself, without any plugins, cannot be having any kind of checkout pages. I mean, you could go here as an example, go and create a new page. You can call it checkout, you can call it whatever you want, but this page itself will not really help you a lot. So here, for example, I went to the blank page and I have chosen that I want a store page. And basically, this page, what it will have as benefit is just gonna give us some kind of product pages. These product pages will not really help us a lot since we don't have the checkout page, and yet this product page will not really be good product page because they will not have any products in them. So how can we add a checkout page inside of WordPress? Well, first of all, you need to understand, guys, that WordPress is based on plugins. WordPress is not as good as you think if you removed plugins. So in this video, we are fundamentally gonna use a lot of plugins. So the first things to use plugins with WordPress, you have to upgrade your plan. Without upgrading your plan, using WordPress is basically useless. So let's upgrade our plan. To upgrade your plan, you have to claim a domain and you have to buy a plan. So let me show you real quick. For example, I'm gonna choose this one. Click on select, and then we have to select a plan. So there will be a lot of plans. There is the starter one. So the starter will come with $4 a month, free domain 1 year, access to dozens of premium themes, ad-free experience, extremely fast DNS, and basically 8% of transaction fee for payments. So for us here, we need plugins. So let's search for plugin. As you can see, this is what you need. The creator one. It is $25 per month. It will give you everything in the starter and in the explorer. So explorer will give you a free domain 1 year, fast support from the expert team, access all premium themes, earn with word ad, customize fonts and colors, 4% transaction fee for payment, upload 4K videos with video pass, unlimited automatic shares and social media, site activity log, and in-depth site analytic dashboard. Creator, you will have everything like so, plus priority 24/7 post support and installing plugins and theme, unrestricted bandwidth, no limitations on site visitors, global edge caching, high burst capacity, web application firewall, global CDN, high frequency CPUs, automatic data center, failover, isolated site infrastructures, and malware detection and removal, tiered storage plans available, real-time security scans, spam protection with AKSmith, DDoS protection and mitigation, SFTP, SSH, WP, SLE, and much more stuff that might be good for you. But what we need exactly is the creator one. So basically, you have to get the creator one so you can install plugins. And then now let's talk about plugins and what kind of plugins you need to install so you can have a checkout page. So to make a checkout page, there is two ways. Basically, they are connected to each other. The first way is simply by having WooCommerce installed on your browser or on your basically in your WordPress website. This will allow you to make your WordPress website works just as a store. So you'll have product to add, orders to manage, pages to edit, checkout page, payment methods, payment gateways. Everything will be delivered to you simply by this plugin, which is called WooCommerce. Now, WooCommerce by its own is useless, and WordPress by its own without WooCommerce is useless as well. So both of them are pretty necessary for each other to manage to get you to the perfect store that you think about. Also, guys, there is another method, which is by using the Elementor plugin. But hey, Elementor plugin is simply made for design. It is not made for making stores and etc. So for example, if we went here to plugins and I went and searched for Elementor, as you can see, Elementor website builder. As it says here, Elementor is simply a website builder. It is very useful. It has a lot of things that can help you a lot, and it can help you to make pages such as the checkout page. They even have, in the premium version of it, they even have the capability of, as you can see here, elevate your website with Elementor Pro, so you can create unparalleled website with while saving time, money, and resources with Elementor Pro. So you can Elementor Pro features include, here we go, WooCommerce Builder, so you can design and customize every part of your online store to boost conversions. You can have a lot of details changed simply by having Elementor with your e-commerce or WooCommerce plugin. So WooCommerce is made to have, let's call it, for example, WooCommerce is the HTML and PHP, and Elementor is basically the CSS. So it is basically design, coloring, stuff like that. So in case you would like them both, it's gonna be pretty much expensive, since WooCommerce itself is gonna be around $300, and for Elementor, free. It is free, yeah, it is the free version, it's totally free. But if you want to get the premium plan, well, you gotta pay around $40 per month for a single website. In case you had multiple websites, then you have to pay even more than that. So this is basically the ways of you making like checkout page in WordPress. So two things: go ahead and install WooCommerce, go ahead and install Elementor. In case you don't want Elementor, it's perfectly good. You won't miss anything, because WooCommerce will do basically 80% of the work. Elementor is simply gonna be doing the design part, the art part, the coloring part, but WooCommerce is basically gonna add the product for you. You can find all the details and data about your products and such thing. So yeah, this is basically it, guys. In case you had any more questions, like how to bypass some plugins, well, you can actually get Elementor Pro for free. In case you had a friend who has the premium version, well, you can just get the WinRAR, and by getting the WinRAR, you can go to plugins right here and upload it right through here. So you can literally upload it, but as you can see, even to upload it, you have to upgrade your plan, so you are stuck anyway in paying money. So yeah, paying money is a necessary thing during this tutorial. You have to pay money for WooCommerce, pay money for WordPress itself, so you can install WooCommerce in it, and basically, in case you would like to go even further, you have to pay so you can have Elementor within your website, and so you can edit the pages, make them more colorful, and make your theme more feels like alive, not as the the template that they have. They are so basics and so much normal. So guys, that was it. Thanks a lot. See you guys in the next tutorial.